Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hotjar to Shopify storefront for funnel UX improvements step by step clearly. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Hotjar to find the integration app. Select the Hotjar app from the search results. Click on the Add App button to begin the installation process. Authorize Hotjar by clicking on Install App. You will be redirected to the Hotjar website to create or log into your Hotjar account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to sign up and fill in the necessary information. Once logged in, locate your Hotjar site tracking code in your dashboard. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard. Return to your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to Online Store in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to access your current theme. Find the theme you want to edit, and click on Actions. Select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, look for the Layout section. Click on Theme.liquid to open the file. Scroll down to the closing/head tag in the HTML code. Paste your Hotjar tracking code above the closing/head tag. Click Save to apply the changes to your theme. Now, return to your Hotjar dashboard. Use the features like heat maps, recordings, and surveys to gather insights on user behavior. Monitor the data collected to identify areas for UX improvements. Regularly review and adjust your Hotjar settings as needed. Create a plan for implementing changes based on the insights you gather. Test the effectiveness of these changes to ensure they enhance the user experience. Continue to refine your funnel based on user feedback and behavior analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.